Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by defining concrete tasks. List 3 to 7 repeatable actions so the assistant has focus. Once done, pick a single AI assistant and connect required accounts securely because consistency reduces friction. Then craft your first prompt. State the role, format, and show one input/output example. This teaches the model how to perform the work. Make sure to include success criteria, clear requirements, speed results, and let you iterate from the first run. Next, assemble those prompts into an actionable workflow. Map step 1 to step 2 and define outputs that feed the next prompt. Once connected, add conditional branches for exceptions, approvals, or retries. This handles real-world variability and prevents failure cascades. Make reusable templates with placeholders like client, date, and amount so the assistant adapts quickly. Test with 3 real examples. Refine language until results match your success criteria and timing goals. To finish, schedule automated runs and enable notifications or logs so you can monitor performance without constant oversight. Once running, measure accuracy and turnaround time. If outputs drift, adjust prompts using targeted examples rather than broad rewrites. If something goes wrong, troubleshoot by isolating the failing step, simplifying the input, and rerunning that segment. This narrows the error source. Finally, make a rollback template and a short checklist so you can restore known good behavior quickly if needed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.